Hi friends, you're here. Welcome back to my channel. I want to share the things that I tried personally. This is just my opinion based on my research, experience, observation, and I'm not an expert. If you enjoy what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. In today's video, I'll be sharing my no-bake scallops recipe. Scallops are a type of bivalve mollusk, meaning the interior mussel is surrounded by two shells, similarly to oysters, mussels, and clams. Ingredients: 1 kilogram of scallops, 1/2 cup of butter or margarine, 1/2 cup of minced garlic, 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup of minced scallions, 1 small pack magic syrup seasoning, salt and pepper to taste. You can add chili flakes or other herbs if preferred. Usually, I separate the scallops from the shell, then stir-fry scallops with butter, garlic, chili flakes, salt and pepper for 5 minutes, then put back each scallops in the shell with its stir-fry juice, then add cheese. But this time, I won't separate the scallops from its half shell. Let's cook! Boil the scallops in high heat for 5 minutes. Add 1 spoon of salt and magic syrup seasoning. Drain it, let it cool. In a separate pan and low heat, melt half cup of butter or margarine before adding the minced garlic until golden brown, then add salt and pepper to taste. You can add chili flakes or other herbs if preferred. Let it cool. Arrange your half-shell scallops in a pan. Put the melted butter with garlic, scallions, salt and pepper to each scallops, then add cheese. Fire the pan in medium heat, cover it for 5 minutes or until the cheese melts. That's it! Easy peasy. Serve, share, and enjoy. Here's our trivia for today. Did you know that scallops have eyes embedded at the base of the sensory tentacles that run along the outer edges of their upper and lower shells? There you have it. Everything in moderation. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.